Okay, this is my verdict on Cambodia. Though I am at Azerbaijan at the moment, at the Noor Lake. So if people are going to Cambodia for like 6 days or 7 days, I think you should visit Siam Reap, Kampot and Korang. Okay, and if you are going for like 10 to 12 days, then you can add Phnom Penh in your list. Okay, and the thing is, like, in each city you can spend at least like 2 nights, not more than that. It's more than enough. Now, why did I say go to, like, if you have a short time, go to Siam Reap or Kampot or Korong? Okay, because like Siam Reap is full of temples, and it has a famous temple, that is your Angkor Wat, which you cannot miss seeing it. You have to visit it. It's the biggest temple in the world. Okay, and the city is also small. Now comes Kampot. Kampot is like your very small town, and it's very peaceful and quiet. So over there also it's like a very sweet place. Like, you can go to hill stations over there. So 2 nights are enough for that. And as long as Korang is there, Korang is like totally, it's a different island. Okay, so you have to go to Sunavel. Sehnovel, it's another city, but there's nothing to visit until you are going to gamble. So it's a casino of Cambodia, you can say that. You will find a lot of casinos in Sehnovel, and you will see a lot of investment by Chinese in Cambodia itself. So Sehnovel I don't recommend. Go to Korang. Korang is like a island, like you have Phi Phi Island in Thailand. So similarly you have Korang over there. So you can spend like 2 nights over there. It's so small, and like it's so quiet, peaceful, like it's buzzing with people. There are a lot of things over there, a lot of restaurants. So I think you can visit Korang just to relax, to unwind. Okay, now comes why I didn't say go to Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh is another city, okay, similar to other cities, except they have new architecture or some buildings or like Buddha monastery or temples to visit. Besides that, Phnom Penh is only for like good for shopping and for partying. That is your street 136. In Siam Reap also you have a pub street, but it's not as good as your street 136 or shown in the videos. Okay, and Siam Reap is good for shopping also, but not as good as your Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh, like, you will have lot of choices, great choices in their center market. And Kampot, there is nothing for shopping. And if you are going to Siam Reap, Kampot or Korong, over there you can you can take a bike. Now if you see, the bike cost also varies from city to city. Okay, in Siam Reap they gave us a bike for 1 day for $10 with full tank. Same bike in Kampot they gave us for $5, but not full tank. You have to fill the petrol by yourself. And in Korong we got the same bike for $10, again with no petrol. So if you are in any of these 3 cities, like, yeah, you can use bikes to travel around and explore. But in Phnom Penh you cannot go for a bike, because police will catch you and anytime. So these are my verdicts on the Cambodia. So if it's a short period of time, go to Siam Reap, Kampot and Korong. And if you have like 10 to 12 days, then you can go to add Phnom Penh. I won't say Sehnovel, because Sehnovel there is nothing except casinos. So if you want to gamble, yeah, Sehnovel is your city. And don't go in June or July, it's really hot. So try to go in November, December. So I think so I covered all the points about Cambodia. So go, enjoy, go in the right time, enjoy your time in Cambodia. Okay, as far as staying is concerned in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, stay close to street 136. We stayed at a building called the Bridge Club. It was really beautiful building, and it was close to street 136. And And if you are staying in Siem Reap, you can stay anywhere. It doesn't matter, since you have your own bike to travel here and there. Okay, as far as comfort is concerned, stay in the city center because everything is near it. Although it's a very quiet place, but yeah, almost all your restaurant, bars is over there. And in Korong, stay in main village where all the action is. All your restaurants, bars, everything, your hotels, you have tons of options for hotels. So stay in main village in Korong.